Where is the fuse box located in the 2024 Jeep Wrangler? What do the different fuses control, and how can you find the right one when you need it? In this video, we'll break down the fuse box diagram and show you exactly where to look. Let's get started. Power Distribution Center Fuse Box. The Power Distribution Center fuse box in the 2024 Jeep Wrangler is located under the hood near the battery, providing easy access to essential fuses and relays. Additionally, there is an interior fuse panel, typically found under the dashboard or behind a panel, protecting various cabin electronics. The fuse box cover includes a detailed diagram that labels each fuse's function, helping users quickly identify and replace fuses for components like headlights, ignition, and accessories. The system uses standard blade fuses with varying amperage ratings to ensure proper electrical protection for different vehicle functions. Power Distribution Center fuse box, 6.4 engine. The Power Distribution Center fuse box in the 2024 Jeep Wrangler with the 6.4-liter engine is located under the hood near the battery, ensuring easy access to critical fuses and relays. This high-performance electrical system is designed to handle the increased power demands of the 6.4-liter engine, supporting essential components like the ignition, cooling fans, and fuel system. The fuse box cover includes a labeled diagram, making it easy to identify fuse locations and functions for quick troubleshooting. Additionally, the system uses heavy-duty, high-amperage fuses and relays to provide reliable protection for vital electrical circuits.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.